Good morning, Joy. How are you today?
Good morning, sir. I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm fine, thank you. So, Joy, tell me, what do you think about English as a language? How important is it to you?
Sir, I think English is very important, especially in today's world. It's considered an international language, and knowing it opens up many opportunities. But I'd like to hear your perspective.
That's a good start, Joy. You're absolutely right. English is indeed a global language. It is spoken in more than 100 countries and is often used as a common language between people from different linguistic backgrounds. But tell me, how do you think it helps in real-life situations?
I feel it's very helpful for communication, especially in business or education. For example, most academic books, research papers, and even online courses are in English. In business, English is crucial when dealing with international clients.
Excellent points, Joy. Education and business are two key areas where English plays a dominant role. Also, let's not forget about technology. Most programming languages, software, and digital platforms use English as their primary medium. What about your personal experience? How has English helped you?
Personally, English has helped me connect with people globally. Through social media, I've joined international groups and forums where English is the main language. It's also essential for learning new skills like website development and SEO, which are often taught in English.
That's wonderful to hear. It's great that you're using English to expand your knowledge and network. Let me add another dimension to this discussion. English is also a bridge for cultural exchange. By learning English, you can understand different cultures, read literature, watch films, and even appreciate global traditions.
That's so true, sir. I've noticed that most international media is in English. Even when I read books or watch movies, I feel like I'm learning something new about other cultures.
Exactly. Now, Joy, do you think English is only important for people in cities or business professions, or does it hold value for everyone?
I think it's valuable for everyone. Even in rural areas, people are learning English because they see it as a way to improve their lives, get better jobs, and connect with the wider world.
Absolutely. English has become a skill that enhances employability and opens doors to new opportunities. However, while English is important, we should also value our mother tongue. It's our identity, and both languages can coexist. What's your take on that?
I completely agree, sir. We should never forget our roots. Our mother tongue is a part of our culture and identity, while English is a tool to grow and connect with the world.
Well said, Joy. Striking the right balance is key. Before we wrap up, do you have any specific plans to improve your English further?
Yes, sir. I'm focusing on reading more English books and articles, watching English videos, and practicing speaking whenever I get the chance.
That's a great approach. Remember, consistency is crucial. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's through mistakes that we learn and grow.
Thank you, sir. I'll definitely keep that in mind. This conversation has been very insightful.
I'm glad to hear that, Joy. Keep up the good work, and remember, language is a powerful tool. Use it wisely.
Thank you, sir. I will.
Good. Take care, Joy, and see you in the next class.
See you, sir. Have a great day.